Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here back at our property and I'm revisiting the well. I'm going to do a different location. First I'm going to drill out a pilot hole. This goes down roughly 4 feet, and then that'll get me started to do the pounding. Hopefully it goes a lot better this time, because this used to be a big ditch here, big hole that I filled in, so the ground was disturbed, and it should be easier to drive into, and I should get water here for sure.
And small.
It's deep.
I know it's deep.
Any water in there?
I don't see any yet.
Because if this is pipe dope, this just helps seal up the threads. You want to keep it away from the top. That way you don't get pipe dope in your water. Before you dope your threads, make sure they're clean. You don't want there to be any dirt or sand or grime or anything in there. Okay, now I'm going to use the bucket of my skid steer to hopefully push the pipe in, not have to pound. If I have to pound, I'm going to do it easily. Hopefully. Okay, here we go. Okay, now to add the last piece and drive it the rest of the way.
I know, Muddy.
Okay, girls, watch out, Steve.
Uh-oh. Here comes that noise again, Mommy.
I know, it's so loud. Like pounding sounds. Are you adding another
Okay,
piece?
now I definitely noticed after that hard pounding that it got a little bit easier. So I'm hoping whatever that hard stuff was, I broke through it and got into some, some soft stuff that allow the water to come up through the pipe. So I'm going to take the cap off and get my pitcher pump and put that on, and then we'll prime it, and hopefully we'll have water. Okay, don't forget to prime your pipe first. That's what she said.
Huh.
It's not coming out. And here, and you get out. We're all slippery. I hold you. Give me my paw. Give me my paw. No.
Raya, I don't want you to get your head dirty, okay?
Oh.
Okay, Ryan, you want to hold the handle up for me?
Raya, come help Daddy hold the handle.
Okay, step here and here and here. Yay! You did, Raya. Good job. High five.
High five. Oh, you hold it up.
Did that?
It's beautiful.
It's not ready, Daddy. And there's water pumping. Is it over? Look.
What?
The water?
Yeah.
It's cold.
Yeah?